Hey guys, welcome back. For our first video, where I'm going to be showing you how to make a 6-lever combo lock. And this is for beginners, so I'll make some challenging more ones. So, let's get for the beginner redstone. This is an easy one. So the first thing you're going to make is I'm going to go 5 high with this, and then like that, like make an E, and then go across 2 more, and then up, like that. So then just connect them all, and then get any color. It doesn't matter what I'm using for this, it's just a frame. I'm just using these colors right now. And then you get your door, just do this. Don't fill it in yet, because we're going to need that spot. So go and behind it. So do that, take your levers and place them on all of them. And then you're going to pick your combination. So it doesn't matter what you pick, you can do any combination, but right now I'm going to be doing that. No, we'll do this. So then take redstone torches and put them on the back, just like this. That, and then get your stone, and then put, oh wait, no. Destroy the extra one, destroy the ones that aren't lit up, like that. So you're gonna wanna do that. And grab the stones, and you should have it like looking something like that. So if I'm going to do quick, just skip ahead. Pause it, I meant. Do that. Is that connecting to that? Yeah. So you're going to want to do that, and then that. And then bring and just tap on torches and get some more down to here. Okay, so once you have that done, just keep it like that. And you're going to want to dig down 4 blocks right here. This. Dig down 4 blocks, no more. And that is one. And you're going to want to dig down 4 blocks again. Then behind this, 2 more blocks. Just go on the other side and then put 2 blocks again, like this. So then dig down 1, 2 more, so you can place them and jump right back up. So you're going to want to keep that so I can show you how it works at the end. And then get 2 redstone feathers and put them like that. And those should be glowing, I think. No, they're not actually. So then I want to take care of that. So then when these come down, they're like that. Bring them all down. Yes. And then bring them down. Actually, I want to start putting it down. Wait, no. I'm going to keep them all on the side, or else you can't make the path like that. And then you can bring it in, start bringing it in like this. Then connect them. Just gonna, then we're gonna behind it. And then take that out. So I'm going to connect these like that. And then take your other one right here. You don't want to connect them to the other one. And just go around it. I think you want to go through here now. I'm going to do that on a 1 tick, 2 tick delay. I just do 1 tick and 2 tick delay. Tap it once. And then you need to repeat those all the way down. Then right here, I actually want to move this one, this segment, over to here, like that, and then this one, right over here, like that, so you can connect them. Then you flip them all up, and then all up. As you can see, that turns off the torches. So that closes them, but if you do your pattern, your passcode, it opens them, just like that. So I'll show you how this works. So basically, when you flip, I'll just show you an example. So see how this is supposed to be down for it, but if you just flip one, it's close. Oh wait, we did this one. Oh, don't do that. This week. You want to connect them all, so just break the one with the one that we didn't connect to these, because then that's where you flip 2 separate switches. But this one, so then like that, and then so that should flip them. So if we put them all up like that, see how they're light, and if these are the redstone signals lit, it turns off the torches. But if we do our combination, if we just put one down, see what turns them on? We need them. We need them all. So I think I could see that one. That one's off, but the others are still lit. So then if you do that, now that one's easier off, so like that one's so simple. Because this one's still lit. So then you have to pull that one down too. Then none of them are lit. And then it opens up the door. And it's really simple. You just go up the front. Then you can just cover it all up. But you don't want to block the ones that are going down. So you don't want to block that path right there. You can fill in the other spots. You don't need that piece. You can just keep it that. Well, I just broke it. And then just cover all this off. But you have to keep the spot where the redstone's going down on, because if you do it, it disconnects and it's not. Okay. So then you keep that. You just want to block this all off. You can make like a room if you want to, like you can just block that off. And you can make a separate one next to it. So then you can keep valuables, diamonds, any of that. And if you guys want to just switch your combination, just switch where the redstone torches are. And instead of redstone dust, they'll do, say you did 2 torches next to each other like this, instead you would need to extend it like 1 more block like this with repeaters because they don't connect to each other. But you would do it like over here, like that. You do it like that. Because if you did redstone, they would do that. And you just want to. But that's not right combination. So you can just go to your pathway and do whatever you want to your place. So you wanna, like, I don't know, just move your pathway. And that's gonna be it for this video. So stay tuned for more, and goodbye.